The warm glaze layer of Barbie with Pearls has dried, and I start now with a cold layer, a velatura. What is velatura? Velatura is a milky semi-transparent mixture. Velatura is an oil painting technique used by the old masters. It involves a layer of paint over an already dried layer to modify its color, tone or intensity. With this method, you can create a sense of depth, luminosity and subtle gradations of color. The paint used in velatura is tint with a medium to achieve the translucent effect. You still see underlying colors. In this session I use a glazing medium of Winsor & Newton. You can paint many layers with using the velatura technique or use it in various stages of your painting, from initial underpainting to final glazes. You can use velatura to soften transitions between colors and tones by blending edges and create smoother gradations. Like the masters Leonardo da Vinci, Titian or Rembrandt, they were famous for their sfumato effect. Sfumato, the transitions between colors and tones. This technique is a powerful tool. Apply the glaze more densely in lighted areas and spread the glaze more thinly in shades.